The second part of our business plan is the executive summary. And for the vision,
Vision. A sweet bites our vision to be premier destination for extraordinary sweet, where every indulgence a delightful journey into the world of selectable creation, where we aspire to create a having dessert enthusiast redefining for sweet experience through innovation, quality, and commitment to making a positive impact of the community.
and for the mission,
Our mission at Sweet Bites is to craft and curate an exceptional array of gourmet treats, ensuring each bite is a celebration of flavors, textures, and artistry. We are dedicated to providing a personalized and memorable desserts experience for our patrons. Beyond the kitchen, our mission extends to contributing to well-being of the community.
and for the goals,
Goals: 1. Culinary excellence. 2. Community engagement. 3. Brand recognition. 4. Market expansion. And objectives.
for the objectives of the business, customer satisfaction, sustainable practices, community impact, employee development. So, sa goals of the business po, sa culinary excellence, we strive for continuous innovation in dessert creation, offering a diverse and ever-evolving menu that captivates the taste buds of our customers. Sa community engagement naman po, we are going to actively engage with the local community through partnerships, events, and social responsibility initiatives, reinforcing our commitment to making a positive impact. Sa brand recognition naman po, we're going to establish Sweet Bites as a recognized and trusted brand in the dessert industry, synonymous with quality, creativity, and delightful customer experience. So sa brand recognition po, we're going to do our best para po magkaroon po ng recognition po yung Sweet Bites namin. Para po makilala ng mga tao bilang isang mapagkakatiwalaang brand or organization or industry. Sa market expansion, we're going to explore opportunities for growth, potentially expanding our reach to new locations and markets while maintaining a strong presence in Robinsons Magnolia. So nasabi ko po kanina na sa Robinsons Magnolia Mall po kami. Pero one of our goals is market expansion. So hindi lang po kami nag-aim for Robinsons Magnolia. We're going to aim for branches. So gagawa po kami ng mga branches para po hindi po limited lang yung location po namin. And in order for our business to grow, we're going to strive in order to expand the business and in order to have many branches na hindi lang po sa Robinsons Magnolia. And sa objectives of our business, customer satisfaction. Una, customer satisfaction. We're going to achieve and maintain high levels of customer satisfaction by consistently delivering exceptional and personalized dessert experiences. Pangalawa, sustainable practices. We're going to implement sustainable practices, including eco-friendly packaging, responsible sourcing, aligning with our commitment to environmental stewardship. Community impact. Contribute a significant percentage of proceeds to support local charities and initiatives, fostering a sense of community, well-being, and social responsibility. So sa employee development naman po, we're going to nurture a skilled and motivated team by providing opportunities for professional growth, ensuring a positive work environment that reflects in the quality of our products and services. So sa objectives and goals of the business po namin, we're going to try and strive in order for us to expand and grow our business po. So by doing that, we're going to do our entrepreneurial skills and we're going to do our best. Putang ina, paulit-ulit ako.